We're going to talk about bathrooms, basements, and then upgrades to energy, appliances, and mechanicals. Bathrooms are important, obviously, because it's the first thing buyers see when they walk through your house that they want to redo. Right? If you don't have at least a clean bathroom, people are going to walk through and say, this is going to cost too much money. I don't want to buy the whole house. And bathroom renovations can be super simple. And I want to talk to you about some simple things to do there. So I'm going to show you right now a before of my bathroom in my house, which is there on the top of the screen. Which, listen, don't get me wrong, looks nice.
It's a fine bathroom. Right.
But if you were there in person and you get up close, it was small, it was tight. And so I wanted to completely redo it. So the lower image is what we did, and we really blew the whole thing up. And we moved the tub, we kind of opened up the whole shower. So there's little things that you can do, right? You can change out fixtures. If your fixtures are the same ones you've had since you bought the house, that makes a bathroom look absolutely brand new. You can change the grout. The first thing I tell everybody, other than just painting, because that goes a long way, the grout in the tiles, whether it's in your bathtub or shower on the floors, it can get pretty grimy over the years of wet feet and hands and soap and dust. So just changing that and bringing it back to a lighter color can really open up a bathroom. You can even just put in a glass door instead of an old curtain. That'll make a bathroom feel brand new. Or you can change out the vanity and add storage. I want to show you, this is my favorite, is basements. That found room. So here's a before photo of what my basement looked like when I bought my house, and here's the after photo. And so,
wow,
these two images, so opposite. But if you really look at the details, I didn't really do a whole lot. I painted the brick, from the red original brick into a whitewash.
And you just put in some benches.
Yeah, I added some wooden benches. I put down a rubber gym floor, and I had what was the most expensive here is we found a guy that would do shower doors and said, hey, can you do a shower door, but without the door, and just make like a mirror and just carve it? And so it fits into this kind of shape of the archways in my gym. He said, yeah, no problem. Wasn't that expensive. But it was the most expensive thing down here. And voila, now I've got this big, beautiful, bright gym that is now in the cellar. So cellar spaces, which are underground and a lot of times just used for storage and stuff you're never going to use ever anyway.
That's right. But I love how you made it look like daylight. You guys were so clever with that. It looks like the sun coming into the room because you have the reflective object rather than the basement wall. And our gym is in the cellar. I wish I could do that down there. I'm going to go try and canoodle that.
Yeah, do it. You could also make it a home office or a second home office or a playroom, a crafts room. All that is to say that your cellar doesn't need to have a full renovation. It's probably pretty good the way it is with a little TLC, and then boom, you've got more house.
Okay, so the energy, I love this because people, especially after the last 2 years, this is something that I think speaks to everyone. Having better mechanicals and energy systems and appliances in any environment speaks to everyone in the market, right?
Yes, exactly. And listen, buyers hate to have to deal with utility upgrades because it feels like it's so much work. If they see an old boiler or an old HVAC system, like the old panels on the wall where you've got like the little line and everything. No. Those are easy fixes that you can do that are going to make your life easier, but are also going to make your house seem a lot more valuable. Now, I didn't have any good before or after photos of my mechanical rooms or systems. So what I wanted to show, though, is a before photo of my kitchen and an after photo of my kitchen, just to show that I did a new kitchen, but I also went to hide things that were kind of like unsightly in a new kitchen. So today, people like to spend a lot of time in their kitchen, so they cover a lot of things up, and that's exactly what we did.